everyone, welcome to CLATapult. In this video, we would be discussing some important concepts relating to number. So first is with respect to remembering some of the percentage to fraction conversions, because definitely there is a formula which we will be discussing after this shortcut method. However, if these simple tricks or if these simple numbers we can just remember at the back of their mind, then the calculations become very easy and we would be able to solve even complex questions in a very short time frame, right? So on the left hand side, I have written some fractions which is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and till that I have written 1 by 12. And now in the right hand side, I have had the percentage value of those fractions. So 1 by 2 is 50%, 1/3 is 33, 1 by 3%, 1/4 is 25%, 1/5 is 20%, 1/6 is 16 whole 2 by 3%, 1/7 is 14 whole 1 by 7%, 1/8 would be 12 whole 1 by 2%, 1/9 being 11 whole 1 by 9%, 1/10 would be 10%, which is very obvious, 1/11 would be 9 whole 1 by 11%, and 1 by 12 will be 8 whole 1 by 4%, right? So this might seem complex as of now, but if you keep solving questions, then you will automatically remember these conversions, and if you do, your life would be very simple when it comes to calculations. Now the general formula for this conversion which most people struggle or get confused with is, if you have to convert percentage into a fraction, you divide that percentage by 100, right? So if it is 50% and if you have to convert it into a fraction, then you do 50 by 100, which is 1/2, which is the fractional value of 50%. Conversely, if you have to convert a fraction into percentage, you have to multiply that fraction by 100. So 1 by 2 is a fraction. If you have to convert it into percentage, you do 1 by 2 into 100, which is 50%. That will get at the answer, right? The second concept that I want to discuss right here was the concept of HCF and LCM of fractions, right? I have seen a number of students getting confused on this concept. So HCF of two fractions, how do we find this out? So if there's a fraction A by B and C by D, and if you have to find the HCF of that fraction, then what we will do is we will find the HCF of the numerator, which is A and C, and we will divide it with the LCM of the denominator, which will be B and D, right? If we have to do the opposite, if we have to find the LCM of two fractions, which is A by B and C by D, then we find the LCM of the numerators, which is A and C, and we find the HCF of the denominators, which is B and D, right? So a simple trick of remembering this is, whatever we have to find is in the numerator and the exact opposite of it, we put it in the denominator, right? Thank you so much.